Hi again. So in the space of digital marketing, it is always good to widen your funnel and narrow down your niche. So what does that mean? Like say when suppose we take the example of Amazon, right? So what happens? The many visitors go to Amazon's website and they view many products. Then they decide on a particular product and then they do the purchase. While going there, they actually have different choices about that particular product they are looking for. Suppose in case of a book, so they come with the idea of a particular book in that subject, some specific author, but when they are shown different choices, they might decide on another author, another subject, not the subject but another title maybe. So that is where but the if you realize how that visitor has come to Amazon because he has something in mind related to a particular field. That field is the niche that he is looking for, and he is looking for variety in that field, not just the one that he knows. So he knows very little, quite possible, but he is looking for broadening his choice base so that he has further help from that subject. In the instance of a book, choosing a book, when you choose a book, you choose an author, or uh, after choosing that particular author, you have that subject and different subject of that author, or of sub subjects, narrower subject line than the broaden subject that he has some idea. So this is how. For example, let me give you an example. Suppose psychology is your subject that you are looking for. Psychology is a very wide kind of subject, and somebody is looking for help in um decision making, suppose. So in case of so there is no book as such on psychology under decision making. There may be quite variety of books, and those books, and he will be given a choice of those books under different subtopics for the same subject. So that is called the funnel. So it is a wide base, and uh, then you know the choice of that particular customer and what he is looking for. That is a niche he is looking for. And then, based on the choice that he has chosen out of so many choices, that is what he is looking for. So, that is where you narrow down. And then again to give him more choices, you have to have different varieties again. So that gives you a choice, a scope to broaden your presentation, whatever your offer is. So it kinds of it opens up his mind also. So whenever he visits this funnel where there is a wide variety of things, as soon as he chooses something, so that is his niche, then under that niche also you present a wide variety of choices, that becomes another niche, and likewise you go down and uh, narrow down your presentation offer to him, and he ultimately chooses something, right? And likewise, if you are recording his choice, whatever he has selected to buy, you find out similar choices, similar subjects, sub niches, and present to him the next time he visits. So this is how the funnel should work. And if you are an author, course designer, then you need to keep this in mind while designing your course. It should not be very broad based. It has to cater to a particular niche so that the buyer, the visitor, comes in and settles down there, right? So this is the niche creation, and in every niche there can be a wide variety of choices. That is the funnel, right? So this is the trick. Thank you.